In this lab, we will continue with the interactive plots. We will show the animation. We will use the animation feature, and we will look at applying the interactive plot parameters uh, using plotly.express library parameters. Now back to our New Zealand cars data. Let's see for each motive power. So New Zealand cars data. So we had DF cars too, where the columns were basic color, body type, CC rating, first New Zealand registration year, first New Zealand registration month, gross vehicle mass, import status, industry class, make, model, and so on. So let's see for each motive power in our New Zealand cars data. We had three motive power: diesel, petrol, and zero. So in the DF cars, we had removed the motive power zero because that motive power it was entered zero because it was the data was unknown. For each motive power in our New Zealand cars data, how does the relationship between CC rating and power rating changes over the year? So we are involving first New Zealand registration, over the years. So uh, so we are involving the vehicle, the years, the CC rating, the power rating, and the motive power. So let's have a look what we do. Let fig equal px dot scatter of the data frame, cars data frame, comma, y equals CC rating, and x equal gross vehicle mass. So x-axis shows gross vehicle mass and y-axis show CC rating, and that looks like this. Now let fig equal px dot scatter of df cars of y equals CC rating, x equal gross vehicle mass, color equal body type. So color equal body type, these bubbles will be representing the body type. So it looks like this. So we can see for this bubble that Marquesa is on, the body type is mobile machine, the gross vehicle mass is 13.8 kg, CC rating is 4,500. So one of these, this one represents highest CC rating, and this is for the service coach. And most of these, which are forming a cluster over here, these are for the low gross vehicle mass, less than 5,000. And the CC rating is less than 6,000. Let's add another parameter, animation underscore frame equal first New Zealand registration year. And so this bar over here, this is the animation frame, and this is representing first New Zealand registration year. So this is the first New Zealand registration year is shown from 1979 to 1987. So if I click on the play button, we can see the dots. They are mostly for gross vehicle mass equals 0, and the CC rating rises and comes down. And it is only showing for body type saloon. It is not automatically picking up all the rest of the body types. Let's have a look at always best to provide pre-sorted data to plot. Let's sort the values. So the cars data frame dot sort underscore values bracket and square bracket Fresh New Zealand registration year, CC rating and gross vehicle mass. Let's plot this. Let fig equal px dot scatter of the sorted cars data frame, y equals CC rating, x equal gross vehicle mass, color equal body type, and animation frame equal Fresh New Zealand registration year. Let's look at what this graph gives. Again, the body type chosen is a sports car. So this command has automatically chosen body type sports car and is showing over here. So we can see that gross vehicle mass CC rating is not shown for the sports car. Okay, let's have a look. Let fig equal px dot scatter of cars data frame which is not sorted, y equals CC rating, x equal gross vehicle mass, color equal body type, animation frame equal Fresh New Zealand registration year. Let's add the parameter range underscore x equal 1 to 3000, range underscore y equal 1 to 4000, and let's have the facet underscore call equal motive power. So the motive power equal petrol, and the body type is chosen is saloon. Let's run this. So we can see for the body type saloon, all these gross vehicle mass and the CC rating is shown. The body type is shown, but it's not coming over here in the legend. And motive power diesel is not showing at all. Let's do for the sorted cars data frame. So let fig equal px dot scatter bracket cars data frame comma y equals CC rating, x equal gross vehicle mass, color equal body type, animation underscore frame equal Fresh New Zealand registration year, range underscore x equal 1 to 3000, range underscore y equal 1 to 4000, and facet underscore call equal motive power. Let's look at what the graph gives. So the animation frame, the command has automatically chosen for the body type sports car. So for the body type sports car, let's see what happens if I run this. So the motive power equal diesel is missing. As you can see, the above graph is not good. We only show petrol sport car. Could you guess why it is not? So if I just pull the subset from the sorted cars data frame with the gross vehicle mass in the range from 1 to 3001 and where the CC rating is in the range 1 to 4001, and then let's after pulling that, let's choose motive power, and let's do the value counts of the motive power. So we can see for the petrol there are 519 values, and for the diesel there are 118 values. And let's look at the DF cars let's subset the DF car's gross vehicle mass is in the range 1 to 3001 and the CC rating is in the range 1 to 4001, and let's look at Fish New Zealand registration year value counts of it. So for 2006 we have 184 cases, and then it decreases. Let's look at the um, grouping. So DF cars for the gross vehicle mass in the range 1 to 3001 and DF cars in the range 1 to 4001. Let's look at Fish New Zealand. Let's subset Fish New Zealand registration year, motive power, body type, and we do value counts of it. So we see that for the Fish New Zealand registration year 2006, motive power is petrol, body type is hatchback, saloon, station wagon. And for 2005, the motive power is petrol, body type is hatchback. And for 2007, motive power is petrol and the body type is hatchback, and so on. We can see that the diesel is mostly low. Let's subset this, and we are showing the subset CC rating, gross vehicle mass, Fish New Zealand, registration year, and the body type. So here we have the CC rating, gross vehicle mass, Fish New Zealand, registration year, and the body type. Let's look at the data frame where the data frame motive power equal diesel and subset CC rating, gross vehicle mass, Fish New Zealand, registration year, body type, and we will do value counts of it. So for CC rating 2953, gross vehicle mass 2920, Fish New Zealand registration year 2006, body type is utility, and so on. Let's subset DF cars where the gross vehicle mass is in the range 1 to 3001 and CC rating is in the range 1 to 4001 and motive power equal diesel, and we do the value counts of body type. We see utility gives 53, station wagon is 32, light van is 11, saloon is 8, hatchback is 5, flat deck truck is 4, self-propelled caravan is 3, tractor is 2. Let's subset DF from the sorted cars data frame where the motive power equal diesel, and then we'll value count body type. So we see that utility is 55, station wagon is 38, light van is 14, other truck is 11, and so on. Let's from the cars data frame which is sorted, let's subset the motive power equal petrol, and let's do the value counts of body type. We see that saloon is the highest, which is 250, hatchback is 188, and so on. Let's do value counts of body type from the sorted data frame, and saloon is the highest. Let's plot scatter plot. So fig equal px dot scatter bracket the cars data frame which is sorted, comma y equals CC rating, x equal gross vehicle mass, color equal motive power, animation underscore frame equal Fish New Zealand registration year, range underscore x equal 1 to 3000, range underscore y equal 1 to 4000, and it gives us this. Let's run this. So it only shows for the motive power petrol. But in this one, this whole question was based on this. So we wanted this. So let's copy this. Let's see if we have answered the question, because this is very easy to forget. So now back to our New Zealand cars data. Let's see for each motive power in our New Zealand cars data. So each motive power, petrol and diesel, in our New Zealand cars data, how does the relationship between CC rating and power rating changes over the year? So we don't want gross vehicle mass, but we want power rating. So we will replace the gross vehicle mass with the power rating. Let's have a look. So again, for 1947, we have motive power equal petrol, first New Zealand registration year equal 1947, power rating equal 0, CC rating 1600. Let's see what happens in 1967. In 1967, the CC rating is 3284, but there is no changes to power rating for the petrol vehicles. Let's see what happens in 1973. So the power rating hasn't changed, but the CC rating is 1725 for the petrol vehicles. Let's see for 1991. So we see that there is power rating 0, but there is a different CC rating for 1991, and there are different vehicles, more vehicles are registered. And the highest CC rating that was registered was 2598. Let's see what happens in 2006. So there are more petrol vehicles registered, and we can see that the highest CC rating is 3954 for the power rating 198 in the year 2006, and that's for the petrol vehicle. And the lowest CC rating is 250, and the power rating is 900. That's the highest, and that's 999, and that's for the petrol vehicle. And the lowest CC rating is for the is CC rating 50 for the power rating equals 0. Let's see what happens in 2012. So in 2012, there are less vehicles registered, petrol vehicles registered, and the highest power rating is 150, and that's for the CC rating 1796. And the highest CC rating registered is 2995 for the power rating equal 0. So it's not showing for the diesel. Let's add one more parameter here. Let's do facet call equal motive power. Okay, so motive power diesel is not showing. So let's from the DF cars 3, let's uh, subset DF cars 3 for motive power equal diesel. Okay, let's do this. Close the bracket. Okay, this is showing for the diesel cars. Let's see what happens. So this way we are forcing the motive power to be for diesel as well. So in 2012 we can see that the lowest the power rating the lowest CC rating is 1968 and the highest CC rating is 3199, and that's for the power rating of 130 and 147, and that's for the diesel vehicle.